In industrial settings, Wi-Fi is crucial yet challenging. Warehouses face interference from metal, machinery, and extreme temperatures. Without local IT support, networks must be robust and remotely manageable. Designing effective Wi-Fi in these environments is essential to avoid operational disruptions. Wi-Fi is mission-critical in manufacturing. Logistics teams rely on it for inventory tracking. If Wi-Fi fails, operations halt, impacting costs and customer service. Good Wi-Fi means seamless connectivity, ensuring business continuity and efficiency in complex environments. Effective Wi-Fi requires thorough planning. Conduct pre-deployment site surveys to assess signal propagation and interference. Proper planning minimizes issues and ensures reliable coverage across vast warehouse spaces. Deploying antennas in warehouses is tricky. Position antennas close to clients and avoid metal obstructions. Keep cable length short to maintain signal strength. Consider using directional antennas for high ceilings to improve connectivity and coverage. Interference from other devices is inevitable. Establish RF spectrum policies to manage it. Design networks for diverse devices, including legacy equipment. Ensure localized coverage for weak receivers. Collaborate with teams to choose devices supporting modern protocols for optimal performance. Give strong consideration to remote monitoring capabilities.